Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue with powdered sugar. First, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly clean and free of any grease. Separate your egg whites carefully, making sure no yolk gets into the whites. This initial preparation is crucial for achieving the perfect meringue. We'll then discuss the ideal sugar for a smooth, stable result. Begin whipping your egg whites on medium speed. As they start to foam and become opaque, increase the speed. Continue whipping until soft peaks form, meaning the peaks gently fold over when you lift the whisk. This stage is critical before introducing the sugar, as it builds the necessary structure for your meringue. Now, gradually add your sifted powdered sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is running on medium-high speed. This slow addition allows the sugar to fully dissolve and incorporate. Continue whipping until the meringue is glossy, smooth, and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape firmly when the whisk is lifted. To bake, pipe or spoon your meringue onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at a low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 2 hours, or until completely dry and crisp. Once cooled, store your beautiful meringues in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their delicate texture and prevent them from becoming sticky.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.